Have you ever pondered the workings of web development with CRUD operations using Python? Well, today, you're in for a treat as we're going to unravel the mystery behind it. First, let's establish what CRUD stands for. It's an acronym for Create, Read, Update, and Delete. These operations form the backbone of many web development projects and applications. And when it comes to performing these operations, Python is a popular choice due to its simplicity and flexibility. Our journey begins with setting up the environment. Install Python and a framework called Flask. Flask is a lightweight web application framework. It's easy to use and perfect for beginners. Next, create a new Flask application. This application acts as the foundation of your project. Here you'll define routes or URLs that users can visit on your website. Output. Now let's discuss CRUD operations in detail. First up, create. This operation is used to add new data to your database. In a Flask application, you'll use a method called post. Second, read. This operation fetches data from the database. You'll use the get method for this. Third, update. As the name suggests, this operation modifies existing data in the database. For this, you'll use the put method. Finally, delete. This operation removes data from the database. You'll use the delete method to carry out this operation. To handle these operations, you'll define functions in your Flask application. Each function corresponds to a specific CRUD operation and a specific route. Now you might be wondering, how does Python interact with the database? Well, this is where SQL Alchemy comes in. SQL Alchemy is a SQL toolkit and object relational mapping or ORM system for Python. It provides a full suite of well-known enterprise-level persistence patterns, making it suitable for both high-load production systems and simple applications. With SQL Alchemy, you can model your database as Python classes. These classes, known as models, can then be used to query the database in a way that feels very natural to Python. In conclusion, creating a web development project with CRUD operations in Python involves setting up your environment, creating a Flask application, defining functions for CRUD operations, and using SQL Alchemy to interact with your database. This process might seem daunting at first, but with practice, it becomes second nature. So go ahead, take the first step, and start building your web application with Python and Flask. And remember, every great web developer started out just like you, with a desire to learn and a task to complete. So keep exploring, keep learning, and most importantly, keep coding.